Hey, howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we got a newbie but oldie, an oldie but newbie. Got a good old 70-200 G Master version 1. This is a very common issue, actually. For the same person, they have two of the same issue. Of course, the filter ring is busted. But before we dive into this, hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a super thanks. And if you're interested in camera repair, go on and buy a full repair kit. We're gonna dive into this. We're gonna get this done quick, fast, in a hurry, because I have literally 2 more version 2s that I have to do today, and so on and so forth. Hope everybody's doing well, staying positive. So first and foremost, I like to yank this one down, the rubber. Get a good little handle. You gotta work your way down. I like to put it down here because all we're doing is removing the screws that this holds on to. I guess I could show you all the part first, right? Billy! Oh, fired, Billy. You fired, Billy. You're making me look bad. All right, this is the part. Got it from Encompass. Anybody can get this. The part number is A2079865A. Y'all's price is $83.95 for this. So for the consumer, it's not that bad. Of course, I get it for a different price. I am a dealer. In a hurry. So basically, there's magnesium alloy, but then you have plastic pieces and plastic knobs that are held in by screws. So of course, any type of impact is going to damage the filter ring, or if you bump it in an aggressive manner. We're gonna pull back that, and basically, what we're trying to get to is one of these holes, circle holes. There are some circular, rectangular thingies. I don't even know if that's a thing. We are going to lift up. There we go. We got under there. Now we're going to lift this only to where we need it, which is right there. Now you see the screw through the hole right there. There's one. And of course, the focus ring is a little difficult to spin because those pieces of the housing of the filter ring are broken off inside of there. So hopefully we can shake them all out. My memory serves me right, there is one screw that is different. And it looks like there's a little piece right there. Come on, spin it out. And I feel like we're missing a screw, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, there is a piece right here. Big old piece. That freed it up a whole lot. And we're missing screws. This is not cool. It's not inside of there, that's for sure. We need some screws, so going to the junkyard. I have one with a broken rear mount, and we are going to take the screws off of this one. Yeah, see, there's one different screw right here. And remember my saying, no screw left behind. So we got to make sure all these screws are together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we're going to use this as reference. Now, 70-200 emblem, your mark right there for the zoom, to match that red. So we're going to go to that same spot. What do you know? It's right there. And we're going to line up that red. Something not right. Oh, see, we missed something. Right here. All right, let's go try this again. put some screws in and see. This is strange. No, duh. Using the wrong hole. Pause. Okay. Okay. There is two of the... Oh, Lord. This is going to stay over here. Should be the last one. It's actually pretty smooth. Lay it back down. Get a test body. It's focusing. All right. I'll put this back. Go back in the junkyard. Well, it's one down. Got another to go, but I had to order the part. It's the only part I had in stock. I haven't been doing these a lot since the version 2 came out. So that was quick, fast, easy. You know, sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's hard. Pause. So this was a filter ring replacement on a 70 to 200 2.8 G Master version 1. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe. If you need tools, holla at me. If you need services, holla at me. You just need a shoulder to cry on. Don't holla at me. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!